Check that out. Are you in the video, baby? No? Yeah! Uncle Steve's shirt. Check that out, y'all. Check it out. Okay, so you wanted one plain. Just take a little bite off of that. And then we're going to try the 3 Mile. Look at the camera right here. What do you think? You know, I think the breaded wings are really cool. There you go. We're fixing to try the 3 Mile. All right. You ready? Mm-hmm. It's not as hot as they claim. To me. Is it hot to you?
Look at him.
I mean, it is hot. But jump back up here. Oh, you need a drink? It's a little hot. It is real hot. Alright, she thinks it's real hot. So I'm going to go with this. I think the breaded without any seasoning on it is awesome. Mm-hmm. Oh yeah. Put this on wing. And don't add anything else. It's fantastic. Now, 3 Mile High was pretty hot, wasn't it? But just the breaded without anything else, nothing else, was pretty good, wasn't it? That's our review of the 3 Mile Island Hooters wings. You know, every once in a while, Matt and I kind of zip up there to Hooters. Been a while, hasn't it? Mm-hmm. And we eat some wings and stuff. And I turn to you and I tell you what. Tell them we ate at McDonald's or something. Yeah, it's Papa, Texas. See ya. It's Betty. Y'all can't see her. There she is. Do your thumbs up again. Yeah. See y'all. Peace. Hit that bell.